This is a lake called Skomakerdiket, tiny natural lake located on the mountain Fløyen in Bergen. And while I was out there enjoying the nice views of Bergen from the Fløyen viewpoint, I thought, why not start off the day also with the first beach for today here and with this natural view. So yes, let's dive in. So right now it's so today is 11th of June and it is 11 a.m. Outdoor temperature right now is 20 degrees Celsius and feels like temperature of 17 degrees Celsius. So let's dive in. It's gonna be nice and refreshing change from the North Sea for this lake. Oh, it's a little bit of mud in the end, at the beginning, so not as good as the North Sea, but we're gonna make it work anyway. Quick swim here, because why not? Water is water. And this one here is located in the forest, so it's super clean, believe me. I don't think this is that deep actually, so we're gonna need to satisfy us with here, because I feel like more mud is coming up. So yeah, all right, we are ready to take a short swim here in Skomakerdiket. Oh, more mud. It's lovely. Okay, I should stop moving and just dive in, because I cannot take more mud on my feet, believe me. So, all right, we are going in 3, 2, 1. It's perfect, as long as you don't touch the ground. The water is warm, because apparently this is a small lake and it gets warm up fast, and it's not that deep either. So I'm gonna try now to swim as much as I can back so I don't touch the ground, because it was very muddy that you basically your feet get stuck. Okay, I don't think I can go any further, unfortunately, but at least I tried. So yeah, let's just go out quick here. But yeah, that was the first beach of today, and there are many hikers wandering around looking at me. Maybe they need to join me also. Deep here, right? So yeah, greetings from this natural lake Skomakerdiket on the mountain Fløyen in Bergen, Norway. Hope you enjoy this video and make sure to follow for more.